And because the county is far from reaching herd immunity, Monroe County health experts are expressing concerns about how many people have not gotten their COVID-19 vaccine yet. Again, it says 70% is required for herd immunity, and only 46% in our area have received their first dose. News 8's Allie Peters is live in Rochester with a closer look at all of this for us now. Allie?
Yeah, Adam, as of today, appointments are no longer needed for eligible residents looking to get their COVID-19 vaccine at Monroe County run sites. Now, this is all in an effort to make sure more people in our area are getting vaccinated. A lot of vaccine, but not enough people getting vaccinated. And area health experts are worried about the impact.
We are nowhere near herd immunity. To get there, we need at least 70% of our every eligible age group to get this vaccine, not just our older adults.
So why aren't many people getting vaccinated?
I think there is some complacency. I can wait until next week or the week after to get my vaccine. There is some true concern about safety of the vaccine, which I think we really just need to communicate over and over and over again how safe these vaccines are.
With concerns over safety and misinformation spreading online, marketing of the vaccine has a big impact. But an area expert says the U.S. didn't have much time to do that.
We introduced this thing before we did any marketing. So the vaccines were out here, and we really hadn't done any marketing about how am I going to get this message to you that you should be taking this? Because the immediate impact of this was, let's get this out here as quickly as possible. Let's get as many people vaccinated.
He also says there needs to be an emphasis on more positive marketing.
In advertising, there's this thing called the 3-hit theory. If you don't hit me with a clear message 3 times over and over again in a relatively short period of time, I'm not going to remember it. So what I need to do is I not only need to be convinced, I need to recall. I need to recall what is the message, how important is the message, and what's going to get me to move to that last step, which is action.
Now, in terms of vaccines, I have been told that vaccine wastage isn't a huge issue in our county right now, but they do say that you should definitely sign up for an appointment. Live in Rochester, Allie Peters, News 8.
All right, Allie, thank you. And Monroe County health experts are also talking about cost. They say a lot of people out there think this will cost them money. They're like, no, the vaccine is free and you don't even need insurance.